So encapsulation, so I'm going to type it first, and right after I'm going to explain it. So the reason why it is encapsulated, because it has a private function, and our private function cannot be accessed outside the class. So we're going to have our public, and our public contains the set and get. So these two interacts the private function, or this can be access the private function. And in our int main, we're going to call our class, and when we run this code, the output will be a name. And now we're going to have our inheritance, and same as the first one, I'm going to type it first and I'm going to explain it afterwards. First is we're going to have our parent class and the child class. So the child class can inherit the parent class. So it inherits the sound coming from the parent class, and it can access the what's inside the parent class. So in our int main, we're going to call the dog and the sound. So if we run this code, it will be printed the animal make a sound. And now let's proceed to our polymorphism. So why this becomes polymorphism? So the class fruit declares the pure virtual function, which means any class who inherits the fruit can have their own taste function. So the derived class mango overrides the function, which means the mango will print the mango is sweet. And in our int main, we're going to call the function, and we're going to print the mango is sweet. As we run this code, as you can see, mango is sweet. And now we're going to have our abstract. The class shape is considered as an abstract. It is because it has a pure virtual function. So the pure virtual function draw ensures that the all subclasses of shape must be defined of how they are going to be drawn.